Hello children, welcome to Moral Science class. Today we'll start with the new chapter number 2. Thank him for his bounty. Thank him for his bounty. Thank him means we have to thank God for his generous gift he has given to us in the form of water, air, trees, plants. So we should thank him for his generous gift. Let's read the lesson. Have you ever seen the sea? The sea has no end. You cannot see its beginning or end. So it is with God. God has no shape. We cannot see his shape. We cannot see his birth or death. We cannot see his beginning and end. God has no beginning, he has no end. Everything in the world has taken birth at some time or other. All things change with the passage of time. They die, but God is not born, nor does he die. God is changeless. He is eternal. Eternal means there is no end. He cannot die. God is eternal. The sun and the moon, the star and the planet, all these survive through the power of God. God is all powerful. We say he is omnipotent. We know that God made everything, so he also knows all about his creations. We know all about the past, the present, and yes, the future too. We said God is all knowing. We say God is omniscient. We know that God is everywhere. He lives in each of his creation. We say that God is all pervading. We say that God is omnipresent. As you grow older, your body becomes weak, your hair turns grey, wrinkles form on your face, your teeth fall out. The body slowly decays. Everything in this world get destroyed. In the same way, the mind also decays. After many years of brain work, the mind becomes weak. But God is not affected by the change and decay. He is indestructible. He is immutable. God has filled the world with wonderful things that we enjoy. He takes care of the life of each and every creature. He gives food to those who live on land or in water. He gives shelter to all. He blessed the trees with fruits and the earth with rains and the sun with light. His greatness is boundless. His kindness is immeasurable. It cannot be measured. God rewards those who are good, those who do good. Sometimes we feel that those who are wicked and are happy, but this is not true. One is rewarded according to one's action. God is just. He treats everyone with justice and fairness. God has made this world. He has created every creature in this world. He loves his creation. and so he is merciful too. God's justice is tempered with mercy. We know how great God is. We know how good God is. Let us thank him for his gift. So children, in this lesson what we have learnt is that God is everywhere. He never dies. He is eternal. The things he has made in this world, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planet, these all survives through his power. So God is very powerful. He is omnipotent. He is omnipotent means he is very powerful. He is omniscient means he knows everything what about past, present and future. So he is omniscient. God has no shape. We cannot see him, but we know that he is there. Everything in the world gets decay or become weak. As we grow older, our mind become weak, our face gets wrinkled, our teeth falls, the body becomes slow working because we do our work. In the same way, the mind also gets weakened because many years of work, the mind become weak. But you see, the God never get affected by this change. As the time passes, there is a changes. We grow from small to we become young. From young we become aged, old age. We turn into old age. But God never become old or he never gets tired or he never dies. God has filled this planet, this earth with beautiful things. Flowers, creatures, land, water. He is he gives everyone food who is living on land, who is living in the water. He gives shelter to everyone. He gives fruits on the trees and he gives rain on the earth and the light to the sun. So he is great. His kindness cannot be measured.